Welcome to NBS Law College. So today's topic is Agency of Indian Contract ACT. Let's start. Chapter 10, Agency, Sections 182 to 238 of Indian Contract Act, 1872. What is agency under the Indian Contract Act? Agency means a relationship where one person, the agent, is authorized to act on behalf of another, the principal. Section 182 defines an agent as a person employed to do any act for another, or to represent another in dealings with third persons. What are the essentials of contract of agency? Competence of the parties to enter a contract of agency. 1. Section 183, who may employ agent? Any person who is of the age of majority according to the law to which he is subject, and who is of sound mind, may employ an agent. 2. Section 184, who may be an agent? As between the principal and third person, any person may become an agent, but no person who is not of the age of majority and of sound mind can become an agent, so as to be responsible to his principal according to the provisions in that behalf herein contained. 3. As per Section 185 of the Indian Contract Act, 1872, ICA, contract of agency requires no consideration. However, these provisions do not deprive the agent of his legal and justified remuneration unless proven to be specified otherwise in the contract. Agency can be created by express agreement, implied conduct, or necessity. Even ratification after the act creates agency. Agency ends by mutual agreement, completion of work, death, or insanity of principal or agent. So that's agency under sections 182 to 238 of the Indian Contract Act. Want a video on power of attorney or sub-agent vs substituted agent? Let us know in the comments. So like, share and subscribe.